Hello, this is Cliff with AirfareWatchdog, and I'm pleased yet again to share with you a new great feature introduced to all of our customers: the ability to automatically exclude airfare deals from airlines of your choice. In this instance here, taking a look at a trip from Seattle to Hawaii, looking for a warm trip. But let's say that for whatever reason, I don't like flying Alaskan. And well, the flights that I first see here, they're all Alaskan. We can scroll down a bit and, of course, find another airline besides this Alaskan airline that, well, for whatever reason, we don't want to travel. And of course, we could easily enough deselect this from being shown. However, if we wanted to make this an easier process for ourselves and for the other flights that we're monitoring, we'd have to basically do this deselect every single time. And again, that could be a little bit tedious having to do that. So what we've just again introduced is the ability to filter out deals for a specific airline. It's rather simple and easily accessible. What you'll do for your preferences is go to, well, My Account Information. Click this area from the navigation bar and go to this new section, Airline Filtering. Here we can easily enough pop in Alaskan Airlines, give it a click, and now Alaskan Airlines is suppressed. We can do as many as you'd like. Maybe we don't want to fly maybe a budget airline, whatever it may be. Now, when we go back and take a look at our deals, we can see that the prices have updated. We can see that when we go and take a look at those specific deals, Alaskan Airlines is automatically deselected. In the event, well, you do want to take a browse back at it, maybe just take a look, you can select it, it'll reappear. But by default now, these will be suppressed. Even better yet, for your daily fare alerts, Alaskan Airline or whatever airline or airlines that you choose to suppress will no longer be included in your daily fare alert emails, making that far more relevant to finding and flying for the lowest price, easy as possible, and effortless as possible for the flights that matter most to you. Again, Cliff with AirfareWatchdog and our continuous drive to deliver you improvement upon your flight deal finding experience. Have a great day.